Looking for somewhere to bring your date for Valentine's Day? Well, we're here at the Flamingo Seafood Grill. Let's check it out. It's kind of pink in here, so I'm just going to give you a kind of look around the restaurant and everything. But we're not sure if stuff's going to really come up because it's a little pink. And they have a wine menu that's 2 pages long, along with cocktails. And look at there. They even have a martinis menu. They have a dirty martini, cosmopolitan. Wow. Oh, they have your sour apple martini, Becky. So we're going to get the Freaky Flamingo right here. Serving up smiles since 1985. And they have a very extensive menu with appetizers, small meals, salads, sandwiches, seafood, wines, cappuccino expresses, and much, much more. They even have a kids menu. They also have pastas. Oh, here's chicken. Okay.
So I went ahead for an appetizer. We got the beef kebab, which is tenderloin tips on a skewer. And we went ahead and I ordered the Cajun grilled chicken, which is an 8-ounce chicken breast, dusted in Cajun spices, topped with dollop of Cajun chutney.
Oh. And so I decided to go with the grilled breast marinara. The grilled breast topped with a provolone and mushrooms served over a bed of marinara sauce. It also comes with potatoes and your choice of a salad.
Right, and we got ranch for our dressing.
That's right. And as you can hear, we're here with our friends and we're celebrating Valentine's Day. Look, here's Becky, Sam, Rooster, and there is Mike and her two
This was on the
children.
Witness Protection Program.
Well, that was absolutely delicious. Did you enjoy it, Beachin?
I did.
And so I give it an absolute number 10, and I think you definitely need to bring your loved one here.
That's right. But I didn't know we were ranking it, but it was very delicious. So I'll give it 11.
All right, so it's off the charts. There you have it. That was a look at Flamingo Grill right here in Myrtle Beach.
Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
That's right. See you in the next video. Ah! What do you give it? Yeah.
10. I give a 10. 10. 10.